So it has already been a year since I'm making travel films and vlogs. Filming and editing has always been fun for me. Growing up as a travel lover, I started making short travel films as a part of fun and passion. But the time has now changed. It's time to make more great travel films and documentaries. But this time not only as a part of fun, but also to promote the tourism in Nepal. The country has given birth to me and so many places to travel. So now onwards, it's time to pay back to my country, Nepal.
तिमी मेरो झरीको इन्द्रेणी हौ प्रिय मेरो दुःख बिर्साउने मिठो आवाज प्रिय तिमी मेरो झरीको इन्द्रेणी हौ बिर्साउने मिठो आवाज प्रिय हर सासले तिम्रो मात्र नाम लिइरहन्छ मुटुको हरेक धड्कन तिम्रै लागि धड्किन्छ
So yeah, thank you everyone for watching this one. This was like just a quick little update video, एउटा सानो अपडेट भिडियो मात्र थियो and hope you liked it. अनि त्यसपछि मेरो यो नयाँ सेटअप त देखाल्नु भयो from with this setup. More travel films and more such things are going to be created हैन. एकदम दामी आउने वाला छ. So stay updated. अनि अर्को कुरा चाहिँ म के भन्न चाहन्छु भने 11 डिसेम्बरमा दिउँसो 1 बजे राष्ट्रिय सभागृहमा मेरो एउटा सर्ट ट्राभल फिल्म चाहिँ स्क्रिनिङ हुँदैछ. Hope you will be there. So yeah, catch you there in Rashtriya Sabha Griha, Kathmandu International Mountain Film Festival, 11 December, दिउँसो 1 बजे.